Hello, my name is Rizki Hidayah. Here I just got home from college. I immediately changed clothes, and because tomorrow I have a presentation, so in this video I will show you how to make a presentation in less than 15 minutes. Open Google, then type ChatGPT. Click Introducing ChatGPT and click Try ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, find what material you want to present. Here I want to present about public speaking. So I type look for learning material public speaking, purpose, benefits, examples, and basic techniques. Wait for ChatGPT to finish. Go back to Google search, type Gamma, click the topmost Gamma presentation and slide decks with AI. Click Create New. Click Paste in Text. Copy the material from ChatGPT earlier. Then paste it here. Select presentation, then click continue. Check the material again and you can add some more cards. Then click continue. Select the appearance for the presentation. Here I choose the appearance of light, professional, colorful, and I choose Gamma dark. Then click generate. Wait for the process to finish. If it's finished, And you can also export to PowerPoint by clicking Share, select Export, and select Exports to PowerPoint. Wait for the download process to finish. After downloading, you can immediately open the presentation in PowerPoint. That's all my video. Sorry if there are mistakes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.